The delegate operator is used to create anonymous methods. An anonymous method is a method without a name that can be defined inline, typically where a delegate is expected. This operator allows a method to be assigned directly to a delegate variable or passed as an argument. The method created using the delegate operator can include parameters and a body, just like a regular method. However, it is not declared separately, it is written inline at the point of use. Anonymous methods created with the delegate operator are useful when the logic is simple or used only once, such as in event handlers or small callbacks.